Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project PS102 at Joka, near Joka metro station and on Diamond Harbour Road. This is a high-rise project with having multiple high-rise towers, and now you can see this is our model apartment of 906 square feet sellable area. So please come inside. So this is the actual model apartment of our project. So this is the living cum dining area, beautifully decorated and excellently designed for maximum air and light. So come inside. So this is the dining area, and this side this is the dressing area, and come this side you can see the beautiful balcony space. So you can see the balcony space, beautiful balcony space along with the living cum dining area. And now see, this is to give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment. And we are also providing video door phone over here, so you can get this and come inside. So this is the lobby space, and on my right side this is the kitchen space. It's a beautiful L pattern kitchen with excellent design, with separate space for refrigerator and a stainless sink. And with this kitchen you will get a dry balcony like this. So this is the dry balcony space. This is the dry balcony along with the kitchen, and you can see the kitchen space, excellently designed. And now come inside. So on my left side this is the first bedroom. So it's a beautiful first bedroom. So with having a size of approximately 11 by 12, with having a very big size French window and a big size wardrobe space like this. You can decorate your wardrobe like this, and beautiful ceiling heights. And now come just opposite to first bedroom. You can see this is the common toilet, basin area, wall mount commode and separate space for bath. So now come again. So this is the entry of the master bedroom. So we are entering into the master bedroom. Come inside. So this is the attached toilet of master bedroom with another separate space for bath. So now you can see the master bedroom. It's a beautiful master bedroom with having a size of approximately 12 feet by 13 feet, with very big size French window and a wardrobe space like this. You can decorate, and with this you can have your TV unit over here. And all the bedrooms will be given AC points. So this is an excellent flat of 906 square feet sellable area with having 2 bedrooms with 2 balconies. One is service balcony attached with the kitchen. Another one is attached with the living cum dining area, with maximum utilization of space. So thanks for watching. We are having some great bank schemes and offers right now for very limited period. So if you are interested, then please call us as early as possible, because the schemes are for very limited period. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe for further updates.